everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Dodge Dart, matching numbers 340 car. This is a very recent body-up restoration, and we do have all the receipts for the resto. Matter of fact, it looks like the car was started in about 2019, and then actually the receipt for the engine is 2024. So this is a very freshly done car. Gorgeous color combination. This is top banana yellow. Of course, it's got the black rear tail stripe. It's got the blacked out hood. It's got all new black vinyl interior in the car. Cragar SS's. It's got the 14s on the front and the 15s in the rear. BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. It's got the dual snorkel sport hood. Just a killer little car. 4-speed manual transmission. Sorry, this is just sprinkles, guys. It's just spitting a little rain here. They've updated the headlights on it. Love the hood. Little stone peck there. Very nice and way body here. Car's out of South Carolina. Very nice underneath. The floorboards are nice clean. Again, apologize. That's just a little spit in the rain. We can't get it to stop. It's just kind of doing this all day. Bumpers are nice. Got a great sounding dual exhaust system on the car. It's got TTI exhaust with Dynomax mufflers, H-pipe system. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. Like you say, great sound. Good looking set of Cragars. It's got front disc brakes with drilled rotors on it. Again, this is a matching numbers 340 car. It's got an Edelbrock 650 Avenger AVS2 carburetor on it, stock intake. Set of Doug's headers on it, Mopar radiator with the shroud, no fender tag. There is a made-up fender tag in the glove box that goes with it. I'm not putting it on it. Electronic ignition. Good looking car. Fun car to bang the gears too. A-pillar chrome looks good. Front mirror. Door handles look good. Looks like they've replaced the door rubbers. Door tag. All this interior, the carpet, all this stuff looks new. They definitely repadded, refoamed that factory bench seat. Looks like new sill plates. Good looking car. Headliner looks great. It's got the Tuff wheel in it. It's got the Hurst Competition short throw shifter in it. 23,771. I'm sure that's 120. But again, there's a receipt in there for the engine. It was redone in 2024. Blower motor worked, They don't have a radio in it. Factory tach and gauge car. All this stuff was working. Parking brake works. Again, it's got an H-pipe TTI exhaust system on it with Dynomax mufflers. 8 3/4, 355 sure grip rear axle. It is all body color in here, and I think there's a spare in there. Again, all the paperwork goes with the car. That's all the receipts from the restoration. Good car. Again, very clean underneath. Floors look good. You're looking for a nice little dart. I think you're gonna have a blast with this thing. 4-speed. Just a little dust there, guys. Seats are really nice, really plush. They did a nice job redoing those. Dash is nice. Gauges are clean. And it's got a Howard's camshaft in it, nice little load to it. Nothing crazy though, runs off pump gas. Pin these. One hand. Not bad. Good looking car. Tach works, again, all your gauges are functional, good oil pressure. Reverse lights work. That sounds good, real good. Yeah, a little reverse light in the dash works. No radio, but again, the blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.